Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple's MacBook Pro, an ABUA lineup, is about to take another leap forward with the rumored M5 upgrade. While the design may remain familiar, the real magic lies under the hood with Apple's next-generation silicon, promising faster performance, improved efficiency, and cutting-edge connectivity. From leaks hinting at Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5 to whispers of advanced chip packaging, the M5 MacBook Pro could be the most powerful Pro notebook Apple has ever made. Let's break down everything we know so far from leaks and rumored features. 2 specs, pricing, and when you can expect it to hit store shelves. Introduction and leaks, while Apple hasn't confirmed anything. Rumors about the M5 MacBook Pro are already circulating strongly. Sources indicate this model will mostly bring performance enhancements via the new M5 chip rather than a complete redesign. Apple, likely saving that for future models like the M6 or old versions. Point 2. Release date historically. Apple announces MacBook Pro updates in October or November. Early reports expected the M5 variant to follow this pattern in late 2025. However, more recent insights suggest a possible delay to early 2026. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman indicates Apple is now targeting a launch in early 2026 with a first half 2026 product refresh expected. 3. Design expects minimal design changes. The M5 models are believed to retain the current design, possibly introducing only minor tweaks like a fresh color option, updated FaceTime camera, and Thunderbolt 5 ports on select models. Comprehensive redesigns, including old screens and hole punch camera, are expected in the M6 MacBook Pro 2026 cycle. 4. Processor and specs at the core. The M5 chip is expected to deliver a 15–30% performance boost over the M4 series. Notable spec highlights include architecture, 10-core CPU 6 efficiency plus 4 performance, and a 12-core GPU, performance gains, estimated 25–30% faster, especially in graphics and machine learning tasks. Memory and storage, likely base 16 GB RAM with options up to 32 GB. And storage starting at 1 TB in some rumors. Connectivity Thunderbolt 4 or possibly Thunderbolt 5. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth advances suggested. Chip packaging, more advanced chip architectures like TSMC N3P process and CIC hybrid multi-chip structures for better efficiency and AI capability. 5. 10 rumored features. 1. M5 chip with 10-core CPU, 12-core GPU. 2. 15–30% overall performance improvement. 3. 16–32 GB unified memory configurations. 4. Upgraded storage, possibly starting at 1 TB. 5. Wi-Fi 7, support 6. Thunderbolt 5 on select models. 7. Improved FaceTime. Camera 12MP.8. Retention of current design form factor. 9. Advanced chip packaging, CIC N3P.10. No old display reserved for 2026 models. 6. Price entry-level pricing is expected to mirror the M4 models, around $1,599 United States dollars. However, economic factors like tariffs or component cost hikes could impact the final price. 7. Rumors and industry sentiment. Tech publications suggest the M5 will deliver only modest enhancements. Fans of major updates might prefer waiting for M6. Strategic delays may align. Apple's release calendar with a broader hardware refresh in early 2026. Big changes ahead. M6 models expected around late 2026, featuring old, thinner design, dynamic island, possibly cellular 5G, and Face ID. 8. Summary table category insight release window late 2025 expected. Early 2026 now likely designed same as M6 Pro models. Tweaks processor M5 chip 10-core CPU plus 12-core GPU. 15–30% faster memory, 16 GB base. Up to 32 GB RAM storage from 1 TB, and possibly higher connectivity Thunderbolt 4/5. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth price $1,599. Subject to change, major upgrades, internal improvements only. Old and redesigned, reserved for M6 2026.9. Why it matters for immediate upgraders? The M5 MacBook Pro will be a reliable, boosted performance upgrade without the risk of waiting. For design enthusiasts, if you're holding out for old, dynamic, island, or major form factor changes, waiting for the M6 is likely the better bet. Timing dilemma. With potential delay into 2026, Apple's upgrade cycle is becoming less predictable. Buyers should weigh need against rumor-driven expectations. The M5 MacBook Pro looks to be a solid, internal refresh focused on boosting performance and connectivity. It retains the proven design while adding modern chip architecture and potentially Wi-Fi 7 and Thunderbolt 5. However, with old displays and design overhauls deferred to the M6 in 2026, the M5 may feel modest. If you need a dependable, powerful MacBook Pro soon, the M5 is a worthy candidate. But if you're seeking visual and structural innovation, hanging on for the M6 may reward your patience. The M5 MacBook Pro is shaping up to be a performance-driven refresh that keeps Apple's proven design while supercharging what's inside. For professionals who want the latest chip technology without waiting years for a redesign, it could be the perfect balance of power and stability. But for those craving a bold new look, old displays, and next-gen design changes, the M6 generation may be worth the wait. Either way, Apple's MacBook Pro story is far from over, and the next chapter is just around the corner.